Hello guys, it's night now at Canada, Saskatchewan. It's windy night and it's a bad weather now. It's cold, windy and raining. But the clear sky, it's always blue. So hopefully maybe tomorrow also is a good weather, but it depends. See? We are in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay. So nobody's here except me outside in the parking because I need a coffee. A hot coffee. See? I'm bored in the house, acting arrangement in the basement. So for me, after taking something very important every day, so I'm here just to buy a coffee and then chilling inside the vehicle. Okay, I will go inside now to buy my coffee. So it's bad weather since it started at in the morning. In the morning, bad weather. So we need a warm for now because a little bit hungry. I need a little bit rest. So buy a coffee. It's still raining and windy. Okay, because of what's that? Springtime, spring season. So no wonder why the weather is like this. There is a windy. See the tree? It's totally green. Eh? Meaning that's a sign of growing the flowers, the tree, the leaves. That's the meaning of spring. After June next month, started was mid of 20, mid of June, starting summer. So for now, if you are new in Canada, you experience this. What kind of weather here? See? So I buy a coffee now. No one is here only except the delivery boy. Okay. Watch, watch for now. A cable ready. Alright. Uh, give me a extra large coffee. Jordana. 3 cream, 1 sugar. Okay.
Anything else?
Nothing else, darling. What about how much this?
Well,
I need
it's
a
cheaper
snack.
if you get it with the coffee. Do you want one?
Oh, It's like
It's a deal.
okay. How much?
It's $2.99 without tax right now, but there should be a slight upcharge because you have an extra large, but not much.
So if extra large plus one, how much?
It's let me just put it in for you right
Two
now.
something?
It's like less than $5.
$5?
Less than $5. I know that. It's like $3 something. I don't have it memorized.
Oh, really? Busy time?
$3.99.
Okay, good.
That's good.
No problem.
Whenever you're ready.
Is it busy?
Oh, not at all. We've actually been really calm today, which
Wow.
is weird.
I like your name. Okay, we are in McDonald's. Standby for a while. Because of, no, it's bored in the house. Toronto. If we have cable ready, we can watch it.
Oh, I can only have two there. Never mind.
Okay. What do you want? It's okay.
Pardon?
What do you want? Taste, plain flavor, no problem.
Yeah, we saw. There you go.
Okay.
Drinks.
Oh, okay, that's
You have a
it.
nice day, sir.
Some straw. Need some straw. That is cold there. I like the weather. Cold. Proud locally owned and operated. See? It's raining. It's raining. It's raining time. Okay. No one in the parking lot. Okay. Due to raining time. Okay. Rainy days. The whole day it's raining. I buy a donuts. Okay. One donut, one muffins. Even I don't like to buy. Okay. Fine. Muffins and one extra large coffee. Okay. So the weather today, in the past 3 days, rainy, windy, and cold, mixing cold. So even the sun in the morning, it's cold. Okay. So I need the coffee in my tumbler. Okay. It's the best thing I can do for now. Making a vlog to inform you here in Canada it's springtime. So much better the weather, the 4 seasons in Canada. And tomorrow it's holiday. Maybe I watch Netflix. Okay, so stay at home, relax, no need stress. Mm. Okay, guys. So as you can see, my windshield and window it's wet. Okay, so I wanna plan to buy or going to Pasgas to take Lotto. Maybe my numbers is lucky. It's cold. Wow. So here guys, see you again. It's night. Hopefully you enjoy the small information about the Canada weather today near on the border because it's holiday tomorrow. It's beer day. Okay, we are in the corner in Bus Gas and McDonald's. Okay, no too much customer inside, not busy. Chilling here. Relax. After take a grocery in the morning, buying I buy important matter like Downy, see, a dishwashing liquid with the Dove New Olay Ultra Moisturized Hydratant. Okay. What else? Nothing. Okay. It's a basic needs. Okay. So, okay guys, hopefully I inform you about the weather in Canada for now. It's about 9:20 p.m. Okay, Canada time, near in the border. Okay, see you guys. Just click the button for notification bell and subscribes for new videos to come. Okay, see you again. Mabalus.